This is the Cougar Gemini X, a sturdy and uniquely styled case from Cougar. There is ample space on the top and bottom sections. Pretty cool, but I do see some areas for improvement right here. There's not enough GPU clearance, especially if you're going to use a GPU water block. But this is easily remedied by using a spacer or by installing the GPU with a vertical mount. Another problem I have with this case is the permanent Cougar logo on the glass panel. The logo is too big and blocks the view. I personally don't like it. Other than that, everything is good, and let's start working on this. My daughters Aimee and Rain are assisting me in preparing parts and other materials. My youngest daughter Alice, on the other hand, is just chilling. The case needs to be disassembled so that the cutoff and mounting holes can be properly drilled and filled. This would be a good time to test fit the thick acrylic sheet that will be used to cover the unnecessary holes. There's a lot of going back and forth on every build. Much planning and testing is needed to ensure all parts fit like a glove. Here I've mounted the D5 pump, reservoir, and relocated the position of the power supply and made an acrylic cover for it. 4 aluminum panels are installed along both the top and bottom sides of the case for the RGB LED strips. I made a thick acrylic panel to replace the stock glass panel and made it a little bit wider. An offset is also installed so that there would be enough clearance to fit the GPU block. PC modding or custom wire cooling is not just a job, project, or a source of income for me. It's a passion and a way of self-expression. I'm always asked for advice on my YouTube channel and Facebook. What I can say to upcoming and aspiring modders out there is to just be patient, practice, carefully plan everything you do, and be happy doing it. Do it your way. Execute your project based on how you envision it and not because of what other people may say. Be proud of your work and make it a reflection of your talent. Always remember that PC modding is a community and not a race or a battle to see who is better at doing these things. It's like a family. We coexist with everyone along with PC enthusiasts alike. All done, and now for the best part.